Okay, Skip again here. I want to talk a little bit about mindset. Your mindset is just so important. You've got to have confidence in yourself. You've got to have a mindset that determines that yes, you can do anything, and yes, your product is worth it. I have worked with salespeople who are just presenting information, and they themselves don't believe in the value of the product. They think it's too high priced or whatever. I remember years ago I was selling a product that I thought the price was a little high. As a result, I put a ceiling on myself as to the average sale that I made to a customer. Well, over time, I discovered that the product was there, the value was there, and we could started selling packages of products that were far more expensive. And people, once you establish what's the difference, where's the value, and you can do it effectively, you realize that the price is never the issue. Value is the issue. So once you understand the concept of value and you have a mindset that you're confident in what you're doing, that's really important. Mindset is so important. You convey what you feel. You really do. It comes through. And if you're not conveying confidence and real knowledge, it's going to come through. You've got to have that confidence in your product, what you do. Now you'll notice me looking at the screen, I'm looking at the timing here. We're a minute 20 seconds in. I'm trying to stay on top of my timing issues here. So anyway, have confidence, know your stuff, mindset, be confident. Don't just slap anything up there, and don't be, if you're in a bad mood or whatever, be happy, have fun with what you're doing, be passionate, let your passion come through. That's a big deal. It goes a long way towards credibility in what you're doing online. So thanks, talk to you in the next segment.